Hi everyone, my name is Dominador 10, but you can call me Dom. I'm originally from the Philippines. I currently work as an online tutor teaching students from different countries, including the United States and other international programs. I specialize in mathematics and science, including algebra, geometry, biology, chemistry, and general STEM subjects. I also help students improve their problem solving skills, critical thinking, and test preparation strategies. I hold a bachelor's degree in secondary education, major in biological science, and I have several years of both online and offline teaching experience. I've worked as a STEM educator, created instructional videos for academic platforms, and supported students across different grade levels from elementary to university level, from K to 12. In my lessons, students can expect a supportive, structured, and engaging learning environment. I break down complex topics into simple, step by step explanation. I encourage students to ask questions, think critically, and actively participate. I use interactive methods such as guided problem solving, visual explanations, real life examples, practice exercises, and step by step solution breakdowns. My goal is not just to help students get the right answer, but to truly understand the concept behind it. If you're looking for a patient, experienced, and result driven tutor who will support you every step of the way, I would be happy to work with you. I look forward to helping you achieve your academic goals. See you in class.